Tax diversification is another really strong way to control your overall plan. We want to get these different tax buckets filled up. Pre-tax, everybody's familiar with pre-tax. That's the most common form of tax savings. A majority of the pre-retirement savings that's out there is in pre-tax. And we want to start having this plan so that we can get more into the Roth bucket. We can start filling up a non-qualified bucket. These buckets, once we have them filled, we have more buckets, we have more options. As you go through your retirement journey and you strive to have a certain amount of income, if you have different buckets to pick from, well, now you have more control on how much taxable income we show. So as these tax rates potentially rise up, we never know for sure. We don't have much control. The government's never called me to ask what they think tax rates should do. But you have more control. Yeah, only if they would. They should call our firm. But now you have more control to control how much taxable you can fill in with some Roth or some non-qualified to be as efficient as possible with the total tax bill.
Yeah, it's taking control over the things you can control. We can't control Congress and what they do with rates, but if rates do go up, and you have taken control over your tax diversification and you have an element of your portfolio that's going to deliver income, is going to deliver income to you tax-free, tax rates go up, it's not going to influence this piece of your overall portfolio, and that's one really effective way that you can increase your spendable income, decrease your overall retirement tax bill, and you can have a lot of control over that part of your plan.
And of course, we're talking about tax rates because that's one of the things that Congress may do to shore up this debt ceiling problem, or at least alleviate it a little bit. So a lot of talk of taxes being raised.
A lot of people feel that they have a tax plan if they have a CPA and it's a tax preparer. Tax preparation is much different than tax planning. That's our role as retirement planners. It's about that tax planning. And the goal is to have that long-term tax plan. We all aspire to have a 20, 30, maybe 40-year retirement journey. And we want to have that long-term tax plan. What decisions can we make today? And then in the next few years, that over your entire journey, what saves you the most in taxes and puts the most amount of money in your pocket to spend?
I'm sure that people watching are like, I like the idea of tax buckets. I like the idea of tax diversification, but how to get there probably still is a mystery. You do this for a couple in the online Journey to Retirement workshop.
Yeah, this is a hypothetical couple. We call them John and Sue, and they're just a couple short years out from retiring, and they are like a lot of pre-retirees where they don't have tax diversification. They feel like they're diversified from an asset class and investment standpoint, but they have all of their retirement savings in pre-tax accounts they've never paid taxes on before. So they are not insulated in future tax rate hikes, because when rates go up, and they take money out of that 401k plan, they're going to be assessed at ordinary income, whatever that rate is for them. So in this online Journey to Retirement workshop, we show you how John and Sue implement tax diversification strategies, not only how they do it, but specifically what strategies they implement, and then also the impact that it has on their retirement income, regardless of what happens with tax rate hikes.
Yeah, and I don't want to sound dramatic here, but I think that at least makes you think now is the time, at least if you're getting close to retirement, because if tax rates go up, it could be too late to do something. I mean, right? Don't wait much longer if you're out there and thinking about retiring.
Every December 31st, and you do not have a cohesive tax plan put into place, that could be a wasted opportunity for you, because the most effective tax planning strategies you cannot do in the spring of the following year. You have to do by end of year. So every December that goes by and you don't have a tax plan that's intentional to you and your overall retirement goals and ambitions, that could be a wasted opportunity. We have to start now. Thank you for watching this clip of Retiring Today, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have questions about your retirement plan, take advantage of the complimentary 15-minute retirement checkup phone call.